Desde semana passada, o vídeo que a Aruba Tourism Authority atraja para prova com os três outros países que usam nos portretos para promover não beach, abriram hot item riba rede social, especialmente riba Facebook, a compartilhar vídeo aqui e a quantidade de likes a surpassar tua expectativa. Pensando que não mira ainda, nós estamos para nos televidentes por mira com bonita nos beach tanta, te com outra tanta gaba com ele.
World's most beautiful beaches. Curacao, Trinidad, Cayman Islands, Bahamas, British Virgin Islands. Do you know what all these beaches have in common? Well, they're all actually in Aruba. To prove the world's most beautiful beaches are ours, we did a little experiment. Aruba's Image Bank. We invited an international photographer to take photos of the main beaches in the island. Afterwards, we uploaded them into the major image banks in the world as royalty-free photos. Then, all we had to do was to relax under the hot sun for some time to prove our point. A few weeks later, nobody would believe what happened. Flights to Curacao, hotels in Trinidad, real estate in Miami, rent-a-car in Cayman Islands. We monitored all the uploaded images and registered that they have been heavily used to promote more than 12 different countries. Even the government of Puerto Rico could not hold off. They also used our wonderful beaches on their official website. Print ads, posters, social network posts, and a film were produced saying the obvious but funny findings. When their beauty is not enough, they use ours. We just wanted to prove Aruba has the most beautiful beaches in the world. But we ended up discovering our main competitors think the same. Thank you all for choosing Aruba. We await your visit soon.
Este aqui resulta mais já bom mês e passa net porque manejo novo de Aruba Tourism Authority para enfocar mais riba mídia digital como riba mídia tradicional. Separado de convencer mais turista que a Aruba mês tinha a bicha mais bonita no mundo, e mesmo vídeo serve também para risar o nível de orgulho de cada habitante de Pita Barranca aqui.